My name is Anushri, studying BTech 4th year from Jovinpalli BI Engineering College, Moinabad, in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I'm going to explain about my project on home automation by using Arduino. And next, coming to the C++ agenda. Here we study about Introduction to C++, concept of object-oriented programming, OOPS, C++ features, virtual function, template function, and standard templates. Concept of object-oriented programming. Here we see OOPS concept, object, inheritance, polymorphism, class, encapsulation, and abstraction. Here we learn about this objects and where we have to apply it. And next, here we see C++ features that C++ is simple, abstract data type, and it is mission independent. It is a mid-level programming language, structured programming language. It is rich in library, memory management is good, and quicker completion. Virtual function. Virtual functions cannot be static. A virtual function can be friend function of another class. Virtual functions should be accessed using pointer or reference of base class type to achieve runtime polymorphism. They are always defined in the base class and overridden in a derived class. A class may have a virtual destructor, but it cannot have a virtual constructor. And next, templates function. A template is a simple yet very powerful tool in C++. The simple idea is to pass data type as a parameter so that we don't need to write the same code for different data types. For example, a software company may need to sort for different data types. Rather than writing and maintaining multiple codes, we can write one sort and pass data type as a parameter. This adds two new keywords to support templates, template and type name. The second keyword can always be replaced by the keyword class. And here we see STL. STL stands for Standard Template Libraries. And here we see a little code. That template type name T mymax return in main cout return 0, and compiler internally generates and adds below code. And here we see the code. Internet of the Things, IoT. This IoT stands for the Internet of Things. The term IoT or Internet of Things refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates communication between device and the cloud, as well as between the device and themselves. The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. Here, applications are uh, wearable health, traffic monitoring, and feed management, agriculture. See, here we see some examples of this. In home security, the key driver behind smart and secure homes is IoT. Activity trackers, home security cameras provide alerts and peace of mind. Industrial security and safety, and motion detection. And next, coming to the embedded system. Embedded system are standalone devices that have usually been designed to one specific thing. An IoT embedded system is an embedded system that also has connectivity to the internet and therefore communicate with other IoT embedded systems. And overview. Blank is an IoT platform for iOS or an Android smartphones that is used to control Arduino, a graphical interface or human machine interface by completing and providing the appropriate address on the available widget. Next, coming to the objectives of Arduino. Arduino IoT Cloud is an application that helps makers build connected objects in a quick, easy, and secure way. And why home automation? The benefits of home automation include safety, convenience, control, comfort, and energy saving. Here's a closer look at some of the biggest benefits that home automation provide and what kind of devices we should consider to read these rewards. Volume of water present in the tank and garden lights, temperature of home. Arduino. In a nutshell, Arduino is an open hardware development board that can be used by tinkers, hobbyists, and makers to design and build devices that interact with the real world. Arduino IDE is a special software running on your system that allows you to write sketches for different Arduino boards. And Pixum Lab is a real-time emulator of development boards with integrated MPLAB X AVR GDB debugger. Pixum Lab supports some Pixum microcontrollers and some SIMAVR microcontrollers. This Pixum Lab have integration with MPLAB X and Arduino IDE for programming the board's microcontrollers. And blank configuration. Here we learn how to create template, how to add a device and select data stream, and to create an icon, include a blank library, and how to select the buttons. Next, LDR, light dependent resistor. Here this light dependent resistors are used to detect light levels like automatic security lights, and this stands for the light dependent resistor that allow you to detect light depending on the amount of light falling on the LDR. Its resistance changes as shown in the figure. Its resistance decreases, allowing current to pass through it. Here the slide control is the ability to regulate the level and quality of light in a given space for specific tasks and simulation. This controlling light properly not only enhances the experience, it helps to save energy by using light when and where it is needed most. And simulation images like this. Conclusion, by this we can conclude using BLYNT IoT application and Pixum Lab simulator, home automation project simulation where LED temperature system, serial tank resemble light, heater, cooler and water tank in real time. Blink IoT application allows user to control these devices according to the user's wish, thus accomplishing home automation.